YouTube? It's your boy Maximized Car Reviews here with another car video. Today I'm going to talk about a couple of things I did to the 2017 Mercedes-Benz C43. So let's check it out. As you can see, I put these gloss black aftermarket 19x8 rims on here. If you look at my last video, this is the carbon fiber door handles. I put the carbon fiber side pillars on here. I got the carbon fiber mirror covers on here. I put this aftermarket black grille. This grille actually light up at night in the front. The front emblem, the Mercedes-Benz emblem light up. Now let's go to the rear of the vehicle. I put these aftermarket emblems on here. The black Mercedes-Benz emblem, the AMG emblems, and C43 black, false black emblem. I got the rear diffuser aftermarket. I think it looks good and match well with the car. And then I put this carbon fiber rear wing on here. I do have a Eurocharge tune, so yeah, make the car faster. But I know I've been gone inconsistent, but I promise you I'm going to bring you much more. So just stay tuned and yeah, just enjoy. Let's go inside, see what I did. I put the aftermarket. This is a 10-inch monitor. I think it's 10x8, I think. And I put a lot of like carbon fiber, stuff in here. So as you can see. Like I said, I got much more, so just stay tuned. I'm going to bring you much more. I ask you to please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Turn on all post notifications. And stay tuned. I'm going to bring you more.